Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, May 3rd, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow had another one of these, what am I doing today kind of days with it. Just could not seem to make up its mind. You can see here what happened. The Dow opened down on the open, kept going, looked like it was going to be a big sell-off day. Then it gets down here. The buyers come in, drive it sharply higher. It goes positive for about an hour here. It then pulls back some, but still ends up closing up positive 5 for the day. Basically going nowhere. And of course, this kind of action is what we've seen way too much of recently, and it really makes it difficult for our trading. What happened today, as far as we got into only 3 positions today, 1 was positive, 2 was negative, but what hurt us today was this down push got us essentially short in TVIX. When I say short, we short the market, the overall market. And for a while, TVIX was quite positive, but then, of course, as the Dow reverses here, that goes to negative, and that was actually our biggest loss today. So what happened was we ended up negative $2,200 for the day. Not a big loss, but it's just this kind of go one direction then reverse causes us a lot of problems. We closed out a whole pile of positions we had yesterday that also became somewhat disappointing. We did have positive open trade equity on the close yesterday. We ended up closing out negative 790, and that, again, not a big loss, but it's just we had quite a few stocks yesterday that were doing fairly well, and some of those proved to be quite disappointing. So on balance, closed out 790 negative, and we're carrying negative 2200 going into tomorrow. Just kind of a crappy, frustrating day. I had one good trade that I'll show you. I think I showed this to you yesterday. Also, this is LITE, Light, which is Lumentum Holdings Incorporated, and we had bought this 2 days ago, kind of toward the end of the day, and then we had this huge gap up yesterday. That keeps us into the trade for a third day. Third day didn't do anything. That was today. Didn't do anything for us. We ended up selling it right there, which is about the low of the day. And in spite of the crappy selling point, we still took $5,600 out of Lumentum, and that basically kept us above water for the today. But not a great trading day, that is for sure. That's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here online tomorrow, my favorite day, Friday.